It might be raining, but who could be unhappy looking at this strawberry pie? I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece this morning and have a tasting. Over here, I've got the KitchenAid mixer set up. I want to make a little bit of whipped cream. I know it's gonna make you guys crazy. I'm gonna be such a fat slob, and I don't really even care. I can't wait to cut a piece and give it a try. But first, let's whip up a little bit of whipped cream. Start with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. And we've got our whipping attachment there. So let's get going. I'm also going to put a drop of little hint of vanilla in, and I'm going to throw a teaspoon of sugar in to sweeten it a bit. I'm not going to make up a whole batch here, just enough for today. That, my friends, is what it should look like. So let's cut the pie, put some on top, and we'll save the rest in a container for later. Yum, yum. There's the pie, all topped. Last thing we have to do is, I know you want a piece, is to have the tasting. I know that looks insanely good. I just can't wait to have a taste of it here. It's magnificent. It's the only word I can use. That's the only word I can use to describe it, is magnificent. Pie crust is good. Strawberries were nice and ripe. If you're not subscribed to this channel, you're missing a lot, okay? I'll tell you what. You're missing me being a slob for one thing. But guys, thumbs up are appreciated today. Thanks so much for being along. And wow, this sure takes the sting out of a really gloomy March so far. So thank you, everybody. Thumbs up, I appreciate you.